let's just get started with the video. The first lifestyle change which I have incorporated in my life is hair oiling and body oiling. I can't really stress less on the topic that how much important it is to oil your hair. Before you shampoo your hair, give your scalp a good massage of the hair oil and then let it rest on your scalp for an hour or two or overnight and wash off your hair with the shampoo. Same thing lies with body oiling. Now this thing is a very recent habit which I have incorporated in my life, and I've discovered it that body oiling is also similarly important as hair oiling. Our body also needs moisturization and hydration. We always concentrate on our skin of the face. Like we people, we are just concerned about the topmost portion of our body above the neck. Oiling body, like it has changed the game of how my skin on the body feels like. You can use any body oil. There are multiple body oils available in the market. I love to use a coconut oil as a body oil. You can use any oil, or you can also use the commercial specific body oil sort of packages. The next habit which I have incorporated in my life and which has changed the game for me is washing my towels and my pillow covers on a regular basis. I can't stress less on this topic that how much it is important to wash your towels regularly. We really forget to take care of these small matters which makes a big difference in our lives. Like using the same towel over a longer time will obviously result in skin acne with hair fall because you are using over and over the same thing. It has all the germs, the dirt, everything stuck. We can't see it, the microbes, the microorganisms, we cannot see those, but obviously it's there. And washing those on a regular basis makes a big difference in the way your skin will look, in the way your hair will look and everything. Same lies with the pillow covers. Now we sleep on the pillow covers putting one side of the face on that. Pillow cover is gathering all the oil from our hair as well as from our skin, and it has too much microbial growth in it. Now that opens our skin to much more acne, pimples and many more skin rashes sort of problems. I have really incorporated this routine in this lockdown period. Now before this I was least bothered to do these things, but this thing, like I wash my pillow covers every 2 days, my towels every week, and this has really made a big difference. Which brings me to the third lifestyle change which I have incorporated in my life, and I think you should too must incorporate this, is cleaning or sanitizing your phones. I really didn't take care of the part that I am using my phone over and over. I'm touching my phone with the same hands. I'm taking it in my ears. I'm putting it here and there. I'm just doing whatever I like, but I never took care of the fact that I need to sanitize my phone. Make it an important point. It is one of the reasons why we get so much acne on our skin. It results in so much acne, and given this point of time, I think that whenever you are going out and you're coming back, besides sanitizing yourself, your hands, your clothes, everything, make sure that you sanitize your phone at least once a day. Put some sanitizer in a tissue and rub your phone over it. A fourth lifestyle change which I have brought in my life is using an eyebrow or a face razor. Now I have this one from Tinkle. I bought it last month. No, not actually last to last month. I bought it in the month of June. Yeah, I bought it in the month of June. This is from the brand called Tinkle. I ordered this on Amazon. It comes very cheap. It was around 199 rupees for a pack of 3. There were 2 more color, one yellow and one pink. Ever since lockdown has started, I have not visited a salon. Like, my eyebrows has gone everywhere, it's all over the place. Getting this one has really changed my life and made it easy. Like, it takes off the hair from my face, from my eyebrow area, from my upper lip area so nicely that it's like awesome. It's an amazing razor. My mom has also like complimented this one a lot. It comes with a cap. After using it, just recap this one so that you don't get hurt with the blade. There's a blade which is pretty sharp. Sorry, I'm done. Another thing I would like to mention, that be very gentle with this one. Don't go very harsh on your skin, otherwise you can cut yourself. And use a mild gel based moisturizer, like you can use aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel after you shave your face so that it soothes your skin and calms down. Even if you have got some burns from the blade, from the razor, you have got any burns, like it will calm it down. And also I would like to mention that don't feel yourself forced to shave your face. It's just a personal choice which I have and I have developed over the years. The fifth lifestyle change which I have incorporated in my life, and I think you should too do it, is using a good quality body razor. Now again, I would like to mention the point that don't feel yourself forced to shave your body. It's completely personal choice to get rid of body hair. Moving on to the razor part, now I have always been a waxing kind of a girl. Like, shaving was really not my jam, but ever since this lockdown has started, it has taught me that how I should be self-sufficient and self-reliant in every manner. So from that, I have learned that using a good quality razor is so important. Like, back in the day, I have used those 20 rupees, 30 rupees razors. Don't use those razors. If you shave your body, please go for a high quality, good blade razor. It will make a big difference. The first thing is the blades. The blades in high quality razors are so sharp and so finely made that it will just take off your hair with one glide and not leave your body very harsh. Secondly, the blades last for a longer time. Like, blades get rusted so easily. It happens with me every time, and using those rusted blades over and over your body will cause so much skin infection and even cuts, which can lead to major infections. So don't use a razor with a rust or a random poor quality razor. If you are using a razor, make sure you go for good quality razors, like the Gillette Venus ones, which come for 100 or 250 rupees. The highest quality razor which comes for around 250 or 300. I'm not sure about the price, but please make sure to use a good quality razor. The next point which I would like to mention is that face masking. Oh my god, this lockdown has really helped me incorporate some good habits in my life, from which one is using face masks. I have never been consistent with using face masks. I always love to use them, but the process of applying a face mask, then waiting for it to dry, then washing it off, and all those was so much time consuming, and I really didn't bother to give so much time to those steps. But this lockdown has left me with so much spare time that I have really been consistent with using a face mask twice a week. Please make sure that if you're using a face mask, be consistent with your use. Use it twice a week maximum. Don't use it more than twice, I would recommend, but use it at least twice a week, and be consistent with a single mask for around 15 to 20 days to see some difference on your skin. I always apply face mask at night because I just feel that at night the time we sleep is a longest time where our skin, our body, everything goes under repair and healing process. So like applying a face mask at night, then washing it off and moisturizing your face before you go off to sleep like makes a big difference in your skin, in the way your skin looks like, and it's amazing. Give it a try once and you will thank me later, and also let me know in the comments down below later if you have got any benefits from this one. Moving on to the last point of this video. By now I have really forgotten which number point is this one, but the last point is that I have started using reusable sanitary pads. I am really thoughtful when it comes to environment. I really care for our environment, our nature, and I have incorporated this major lifestyle change in my life, which has not only helped me but has also helped the burden of trash on the earth. And my coming to the way it has helped me with rashes and the itchiness which I always used to get, and I'm sure many of girls watching this video will relate to my words. Like it was a big curse to me. Like those 5 days of the month were really a curse to me, but now like I have really seen major changes, and it has really been an effective change in my life, I would say. With that, we are done with today's video. I hope these points were really helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated whenever I upload my next video. And comment down below what lifestyle changes you have brought in your life in this lockdown or quarantine period, and what lifestyle changes you would like to adopt from this video of mine. And until next time, lots of love. Bye.